The biggest battle between Samsung and Apple is about to kick off. Both Apple and Samsung have spent $1 billion on AI, making this the epic clash. Samsung has already made it official that they are bringing what could be the biggest AI revolution on a smartphone with the Galaxy S24 series. Galaxy AI is coming to the S24 Ultra, making it the smartest smartphone with features like live call translation, generative chat AI, code help, image generation, and much more. It's safe to assume that Galaxy AI is going to make Galaxy S24 Ultra miles smarter than the iPhone 15 series. So what is Apple's big game plan? Well, this is their response. According to Apple's most trusted analyst as well as the news source Mark Gurman, Apple is looking to bring their biggest AI revolution to iOS 18. Apple is reportedly working on improved messaging app with generative AI chat features along with a full AI-powered version of Siri. Not just that, Apple's AI features are coming to a lot of their built-in apps such as Apple Music, productivity apps like Pages, Keynotes, and much more. Apple is expected to reveal AI-powered iOS 18 at WWDC 2024. With all this considered, it is safe to assume that Samsung and Apple are about to indulge in a big AI war. Samsung is obviously ahead of Apple as they're about to deliver all these features on the S24 series, rumored to be announced on January 17th, 2024. As for Apple, a lot of these generative AI features on iOS 18 could be exclusive to the iPhone 16 models, meaning Samsung is about 8 months ahead of Apple. Let me know who do you think will come on top with this AI battle in the comment section below. Also in the news, Samsung has further revealed the features of the Galaxy AI experience on the S24 lineup. Samsung has revealed that their Gauss AI model supports multiple languages, currently English, French, Spanish, Chinese, Korean, and Japanese. They'll be adding support for more languages in the future. Also, Samsung is once again collaborating with Instagram closely to bring more features for the S24 lineup. Apparently, Galaxy S24 series could allow you to open the Instagram camera right from the lock screen. This will give you flexibility in case you want to quickly open the Instagram camera rather than the default camera app on the S24 series. Hopefully, Samsung brings this with other social media apps as well, such as Snapchat and Facebook. Now, last but not the least, Korean media is reporting that Samsung is expecting the S24 series to sell 10% better than the S23 series this year. Considering the great sales performance of the S23 lineup this year, Samsung is very confident that the S24 series will perform even better in 2024. So that's all for this video. Subscribe if you're new here. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.